Well, it was 4 minutes to 8 p.m. last evening when the trial court had granted bail to Arvind Kejriwal. Cut to a few hours ahead this morning, and we find that there's a setback that has come his way by way of the Delhi High Court. Now, what's important is that the ED has moved the Delhi High Court. They're seeking a stay. They were seeking a stay of that bail order, and importantly, they have acquired that stay. The Delhi High Court has stayed operation of the bail order. Now, what essentially the ED is arguing before the Delhi High Court is that the prosecutor, which is the ED in this case, were not allowed enough time, were not allowed full liberty to argue their case. There were shortcomings in the conduct of these proceedings, that bail proceedings cannot be done this way. And on the back of that, importantly, the Delhi High Court saying that, fine, we'll agree to grant you urgent hearing. And number two, till we are hearing this matter, there is no operation of that bail order that is to take effect. So effectively giving a stay of the bail order. Speaking of the Delhi High Court hearing itself, we understand that the hearing is currently underway. The ED is being represented by Additional Solicitor General Raju, who's representing his case, again making that same submission that the ED was not allowed enough time, was not allowed that liberty to make its full case, and that is the core concern based on which they will be pushing ahead for cancellation of bail. This is being rebutted by Kejriwal's counsels. They are too present in court. They're essentially arguing that Kejriwal has not been convicted, that he's not a threat to society, that these are observations that were made by the apex court itself at the time of grant of interim bail, and therefore that should be borne in mind while the Delhi High Court is hearing this. So clearly a big stumbling block as far as Kejriwal's release from Tihar jail is concerned. A setback as of this morning. The hearing is currently underway. We'll continue to get you the latest on the developments coming out of Delhi High Court on whether or not Kejriwal can step out of jail by this evening. Back to you.
All right, Ashmit, thanks so much.